What is the linear model? We're going to look closer at that in a moment, but first we need to review some vocabulary words and add some new ones to our personal vocabulary. A fraction bar. A fraction bar is when you use a rectangle to represent fractions, and it's a very good way to compare the size of fractions. As you can see here, I have two fraction bars. The first one, the bar is divided into two equal parts. And as you can see, the second fraction bar is the same size as the first one. That's very important with fraction bars. They have to be the same size. And as you can see, the next one is divided into four equal parts. A number line is a way to represent numbers in order. They're written on a line and they're written from largest to smallest. As you can see, the large hash marks tell us that it's one number. So we have 2, 1, 0, and negative 1. 0 is normally our starting place. And then you can see that there's smaller hash marks in between. Those each represent 1/2. So we have 0, 1/2, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. If you notice, the word linear starts L-I-N-E. That means line. Linear means to be shown on a line or in the form of a line. Number lines are linear. Fraction bars are also linear. They resemble a line. 2D shapes or two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shapes are flat shapes. They only show the height or the width. As you can see, these two shapes, a square and a triangle, are both flat. They don't have any third dimension to them. They have a height and they have a width. Sixths are a fraction that's divided into 6 equal parts. The rectangle below shows 6 equal parts of this rectangle. Each one of the equal parts is 1/6. Eighths are a fraction divided into 8 equal parts. The square below has been divided into 8 equal parts. Therefore, each one of those parts is 1/8 of the fraction.